Welcome to Weekly M&A Roundup with Bhawna. In this weekly show, we dive into the latest mergers and acquisitions news. If you want to have a detailed look into the newsletter, the link is in the description box below. So without any further ado, let's jump into the news. Former Blackstone executive emerges as a contender as Blackstone exits the distressed assets realm in a strategic stake shift. Blackstone is selling its controlling stake in a distressed assets joint venture in India to Matthew Syriac. The deal, valued at around Rs 200 crore, sees Matthew acquiring a 51% stake in International Assets Reconstruction Company Private Limited. This move signals Blackstone's exit from India's distressed assets sector, emphasizing a shift in focus as retail loans gain prominence and IARC's retail-focused position adds strategic value amid evolving regulatory landscape. Warburg Pincus triggers a strategic shift with the exit from CAMS, signaling forthcoming moves in Airtel and IDFC First Bank. Great Terrain Investment Limited, backed by Warburg Pincus, has completed a strategic exit from Computer Age Management Services, selling its entire 19.87% stake for INR 2,700 crores in a BSE transaction. This move foreshadows Warburg Pincus' broader strategy, indicating planned stake sales in IDFC First Bank and Bharti Airtel, valued at $100 million and $211 million respectively, signaling a strategic reshaping by the private equity giant in the Indian financial landscape. Infra.Market has divested a 10% stake in RDC Concrete to public investors led by Ashish Ramesh Chandra for $20 million. The move precedes RDC Concrete's planned IPO, valuing it at $225 million. The deal enhances Infra.Market's financial position, aligning with its vision for RDC Concrete's growth, aiming for a potential INR 2,000 crore revenue by FY24. Manipal Technologies seek financial partner offering an exit to minority shareholders. Manipal Technologies, India's top banking card maker, aims for a valuation of INR 4,000 to 4,200 crore. The Pal family seeks to raise INR 1,000 crore, facilitating an exit for 20% minority shareholders and supporting expansion plans. The stake sale process involves private equity engagement. Ambuja Cements, led by Gautam Adani, has completed the acquisition of Sanghi Industries at INR 121.90 per share, obtaining a 54.51% controlling stake with an enterprise value of INR 5185 crore. Funded internally, it boosts Ambuja's capacity to 74.6 metric ton per annum, aligning with the coastal strategy and leveraging Sanghi's low-cost clinker for a competitive edge. Wipro Consumer Care bolsters portfolio with the trio of soap brands acquisition. Wipro Consumer Care and Lighting has acquired soap brands Joe, Doi and Bacter Shield from VVF Limited, strengthening its position in the soap market with a combined revenue of over INR 210 crore during FY23. The strategic move aligns with Wipro Consumer Care bolsters expansion strategy and commitment to innovation in the consumer goods landscape. JSW Infrastructure charts a course for growth, securing a majority stake in PNP Maritime Services. JSW Infrastructure has acquired a majority stake in PNP Maritime Services for INR 270 crore, valuing the port at INR 700 crore. The move enhances JSW's logistics services and reinforces its strategic position on India's west coast. Chris Capital ventures into SaaS arena with the ProHands Analytics stake acquisition. Chris Capital has acquired a 75% stake in ProHands Analytics, a Bengaluru-based B2B SaaS platform valued at over $50 million. This marks Chris Capital's entry into the SaaS sector, capitalizing on growth opportunities. Adani Ports in advanced talks to acquire Gopalpur Port from Shapurji Pannunji for an estimated INR 1,100 to 1,200 crore. The potential deal aligns with Adani's strategy to dominate ports along both the western and eastern coast, reinforcing its maritime leadership. Reliance TV18 Broadcast and Network 18 forge mega merger, creating news media powerhouse. Reliance-owned TV18 Broadcast Limited has announced a merger with the Network 18 effective April 2023. The strategic consolidation creates India's leading platform-agnostic news media powerhouse, incorporating TV and digital news businesses, forming a formidable entity in the media landscape. L&T Finance Holdings completes merger, unveils unified lending powerhouse. L&T Finance Holdings has finalized the merger of 3 subsidiaries, creating a unified single lending entity from December 4. The strategic move aligns with the market dynamics and aims for sustained growth and superior governance in the non-banking financial company. Cardeco Group expands automotive empire with a majority stake in REV. Cardeco Group, a leader in the auto tech, has acquired a majority stake in the Gurugram-based REV, enhancing its house of brands. This strategic move reinforces Cardeco's commitment to technological integration and elevates shared mobility experiences. For more detailed information, you can refer to the link in the description box below. This brings us to the end of this week's M&A Roundup. Do let me know how you liked the video in the comment section below. I'll be back with another episode next Sunday. For more such content, you can subscribe to our channel and keep watching MergerDomo.